Nani's house is in Kanpur. Wow. So you are
Yes,
enjoying
Sir,
it.
I am also in my Nani's house.
You are also at your Nani's place. अच्छा काश मैं भी
Yes,
नानी घर
ma'am.
बैठ के पढ़ा अपनी नानी घर बैठ के पढ़ा लेता काश मैं भी.
sir, it's really difficult to study because
Good
here,
morning,
because
sir.
like all like my sisters are here and they're little disturbing.
All your cousins disturb you while you are studying.
Yes, sir.
At my Nani's place, you know what? I don't. I have a cousin, so she is also a little grown up now. She's not going to disturb me while I'm teaching, but the benefit is that I get a really good food there. I eat to good. I used to get good healthy eating stuff there at my Nani's
Yes,
house.
sir. So नानी के घर पे यही होता है.
यही होता है सब अच्छा अच्छा खाने को मिलता है ना.
Yes,
That is why
sir.
students like to go to their Nani's place. Ved is also enjoying at his Nani's place. Ved, where is your Nani ghar?
Yes, sir. Sir, Bisalpur.
Bisalpur. Payal is also at her Nani's place. She's wearing a pink band at her Nani's place.
No, sir, I'm place only.
Okay, so we are just going to start. A lot of students have joined. 19 students.
Sir, in Hindi literature class, there were 31 participants.
31 Hindi literature class. How is it
Sir,
possible?
two
Yes,
classes were
sir.
combined. Two classes were
Excluding.
combined.
Classes.
35, so
There,
35.
There were two classes,
so which two classes were there?
A
Sir,
and
A
C.
and C.
A and C.
A and C, two sections were combined, and you were having 35 students in one period.
So 31.
Yes,
31.
sir.
35.
Sir,
35.
in math, we have three classes combined, but we don't have this much strength.
Sir, we have 17
Yes,
students in three classes. Sir, once there was
Acha?
17 students in three classes in math.
Sir, in only one section, sir, C section, there are participants.
अच्छा तो हिंदी लिटरेचर में ऐसा क्या इंटरेस्टिंग सा होता है? So many students join the class.
Sir, पता नहीं.
I think many students may not understand English, that's why they go to Hindi.
Yesterday in class 5, yeah, in class 5 tha, yeah, class 5 it was. All the three sections were combined. I was taking the class and I had 42 students. That was my world record.
So very less. Sir,
42.
42. Sir, one
Sir,
section is
42 only.
42.
sir, they are very
This is the
many
maximum in
students.
online class I have ever taught. 42.
Sir, one
It's my
section
own,
is having 22
it's my own
participants, then
personal world record.
so then three section would have 66 participants. Should have.
So yeah, right now there are 22. Very good. Good spread. I would like to see more students attending the class.
Sir, we are doing magic square.
Nahi, beta. You are a little grown up to do this, but I hope you all know how to do it. Magic square. Do you all know how to make a magic square?
So I forgot.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Please.
Sir, I came to you on the camp, summer camp.
Summer camp. Summer camp, I taught you
Yes.
how to make a magic square.
So I never came to summer camp. So we are doing reasoning or
Sir, I also came to reasoning, but I forgot to make magic square.
You also came to the summer camp, na? Laksh Kumar?
Sir, I still know how to make magic square.
Yes, sir, I also came.
How to make.
Laksh Kumar.
Sir, I also came to summer camp.
Mishraji, Laksh Kumar and Mishraji's brother was also there in the summer camp. What is his name? Mishraji?
Sir, Panchal.
Panchul, हाँ. He was also there. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं फिर. Chapter 15, we are doing the D exercise. I hope we can.
13th question.
We will try to finish this chapter in this period. Exercise 15B, question 13. A man goes. We were not able to complete this question yesterday.
Sir, we were only started.
So we had started it, but we were not able to complete it.
So you were explaining the directions.
Yes, sir. You were telling the direction.
So, west, east, north, south. So a man, suppose he started from this point. Let us take take this point as A. So a man goes 3 kilometers. Sorry. 13 question. A man goes 35 meter due west. He goes 35 meters in the west direction. Suppose he reaches point D. The distance of point A and point D is 35 meters. And now what? Then 12 meter due north. Then he from point B he goes in the north direction. This is your north direction. कितने मीटर गया north direction में? How much distance?
12 meter.
12 meters in north direction. 12 meters. Suppose he reached point C. Point C पे पहुंच गया. Now, how far is he from the starting point? Starting point A से कितनी दूर है ये आपको बताना है. That means you have to find the distance AC. So
Sir, AC is hypotenuse.
this is forming a right angle triangle where angle B is 90 degrees.
Easy.
Yes, sir.
Distance of AB is 35. Distance of BC is 12. You have to find AC. Let us take that AC is equal to X meters. Now you find X. Use Pythagoras theorem to find X.
37 kilometer.
So, can you all use Pythagoras on your own? I am just writing the answer, or do you want my help in this? Okay,
Don't
chalo.
want any help.
Sir, we don't
No, sir,
want.
we can do.
AC square is equal
37 meter.
No, sir.
to B square plus
We can do, sir, please don't.
I'm not doing it. See, I'm not doing it. AB square 35 square plus 12 square.
Sir, you are doing. You are solving it.
Yes, sir, you are solving.
Sir, you are making our popat.
144 X is equal to 37 meters. Okay, खुश नहीं करा मैंने बीच में 2-3 स्टेप्स खा लिए.
सर आपने तो सर पूरा सॉल्व कर दिया.
नहीं बेटा
This
मैंने
only.
ये स्क्वायर रूट निकाल के नहीं दिखाया. मैंने इन दोनों को ऐड करके भी नहीं दिखाया.
Sir, but let us make the square on our own. Do the square.
Yeah. Answer is 37 meters. Okay, let's move on to the next question.
Please wait 1 second.
Yeah. The square root part and the sum of these two numbers, you have to do this on your own. $1,369 is the sum. Am I right? 1,369.
Yes, sir. 1369.
Now you find the square root of 1,369. You will get 37.
Sir, 37 into 37.
Yeah. Square root of 1,369 is equal to 37.
Found it. Sir, found it. Sir, every number has a square root. So every
No.
number.
Every number will not have a square root as a whole number. हर number का square root whole number नहीं होता. For example, the square root of 5 is not a whole number. Square root of 6 is also not a whole number. Because
Sir,
मुझे
it
ये
will
So what is the square root of 2?
square root of 2 is also not a whole number. It is 1.414 something approx. Infinite
Sir,
decimal.
square root of 3.
It is also not a whole number. It is 1.732 something. 1.732 dot 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 dot. Infinite decimal places are there. Okay, so
Sir, can you answer a simple question?
yes, please.
Sir, but the answer should be accurate.
अच्छा मैं I'm not a calculator. अगर तुम कुछ calculation का
Okay,
question
sir.
पूछोगे तो मैं
Sir,
will not
very easy.
be able to, yeah,
Sir, in 2-digit number only.
yeah.
20/3.
20/3. 6
सर इसका
point
आंसर ही कभी खत्म नहीं होता है,
6.66666.
हमेशा 2 रह जाता है.
It is 6.6666666 and so on.
Sir, how to
That's
solve?
Sir, it should be sir 6.666.
Sir, let's say 10/9.
Huh?
Sir, the same question is like 10/9.
How to solve this, sir? How to solve?
How to get an exact answer of it?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Get
we will stop at 3 places of decimal or 2 places of decimal. Sir,
Okay.
like after decimal, the answer is coming
You
6,
you
6,
can
6,
never
6.
get an exact answer of it. इसके बारे में बहुत कुछ डिटेल में आपको क्लास 9th में पढ़ने को मिलेगा. क्लास 8
So,
में
sir,
भी
what if the question comes like this? Then, if we have to give the answer,
exact
So-
answer you cannot give. You have to give you will be giving an approx answer. Approximate मतलब round off करके. If you suppose you give your answer in 3 decimal places, then your answer should be 6.667 after rounding off to 3 decimal places. So
okay, sir.
Like it would be 5, then 55556.
Sir, now let's move to question 14.
yeah. मैं अगर आप चाहें तो मैं इसके बारे में और भी बहुत कुछ डिटेल में बता सकता हूँ. There
सर
are
बहुत सारे कोर्स बताए, पहले ये कर लेते हैं.
पहले वो कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद इसके बारे में बताएंगे. हैं?
यस सर.
चलो जैसी तुम्हारी इच्छा. आदित्य मिश्रा ने रोक लिया मेरे को.
यस सर, अभी मेंस्ट्रुएशन भी बचा सर, वो बहुत बड़ा चैप्टर है.
Sir, I have done mensuration in my
Question
previous
14
classes.
is your homework. 14 is the homework. Same as question
Okay, sir.
13. Try it on your own.
Sir, 14
Yeah.
is similar to 13.
Find the question 15. Find the length of diagonal of a rectangle whose sides are 16 and 12. Okay. Question 15. Very easy. This is a rectangle. In this, the sides are given 16 centimeter and 12 centimeter. 12 and 16 and 12. You can name the rectangle as ABCD. And now you have to find the length of diagonal AC. Diagonal AC की length निकालनी है. We all know that in a rectangle, all the angles are of 90 degrees each. सारे angle 90 के होते हैं. So if we use Pythagoras theorem and triangle ABC में Pythagoras अगर हम लगा दें, so we know the base of that triangle, we know the perpendicular of the triangle, we only have to find the hypotenuse. So find the hypotenuse.
Sir, very easy.
Yeah. So AC
Sir,
square.
20 is the
First
hypotenuse.
You will tell the property of the rectangle, that in a rectangle all angles are 90 degrees each. I hope the board is clear. It is not blurred. Is it visible?
Sir, it's totally clear.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Sir, your video has stopped.
In a rectangle, all angles are of 90 degrees each. Therefore, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Now, in triangle, these things what I am writing here are also very important. So this gives you that what concept you are using here. You have to show it. Which concept? Using which concept you can say that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. How you can say that? You can use Pythagoras only in a right angle triangle. Now, how you can say that triangle ABC is right angle? Because in a rectangle, all angles are of 90 degrees. So we can say that triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Now you can use Pythagoras theorem. Use it. And please don't forget to mention the reason. Wherever you use Pythagoras theorem, in the bracket you write the reason. Using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. So after putting all the values, you will get AC equals to 20 centimeters. Am I right?
So
AC
how did you know calculated in your mind, or you have the answer? You had already done
मैंने
this.
अभी कैलकुलेट करा बेटा
256 plus 144 is equal to 400, which is equal to 20.
ऐसे कैलकुलेट नहीं करा मैंने पता है
सर
कैसे
मतलब आप कैलकुलेटर नहीं है?
मैंने कैसे कैलकुलेट करा पता है मैंने ऐसे कैलकुलेट करा 3 into 4 is 12 4 into 4 is 16 5 into 4 is 20 therefore 20 is the answer.
Please again tell how did you calculate it?
सर
3
क्या
into,
कुछ समझ में नहीं आया.
3 into 4 is 12 4 into 4 is 16 so 5 into 4 कितना होगा 20 होगा इसलिए आंसर 20.
Sir, this can work in every.
Oh,
So this can work everywhere.
No, not everywhere. This is a high-fi method.
सर ये तो ऊपर से चला गया.
वही मैं
सर
कह रहा
हम
हूँ.
बहुत ही लो हैं, हम इसे समझ नहीं पाएंगे.
देखो बेटा, let me tell you a trick. We know that whenever it is a right angle triangle, and if one side is 3, other side is 4, तो hypotenuse हमेशा 5 आती है. इतना पता होना चाहिए. अगर एक साइड 3 है, दूसरी साइड 4 है, तो hypotenuse क्या आएगी? 5 आएगी. और इधर हमने क्या करा है? जो 3 वाली साइड है उसको अगर 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे कितना आएगा 12 आ जाएगा तो एक साइड 12 हो गई. ये 4 वाली जो साइड है इसको 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करके कितना आ जाएगा यू गेट 16 आ गया. और जो 5 वाली जो साइड है उसको भी 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो कितना आ जाएगा
20.
तो दिस इज द ट्रिक. नॉट एप्लीकेबल
But-
एवरीवेयर इन सम टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस.
सर थोड़ी देर पहले ऊपर से चला गया था फिर वो घूम कर वापस आ गया.
Sir, how to know this theorem, this trick can be used in this question or not?
All because of practice and experience of teaching because of that.
We don't have that.
So slowly you will learn it when you go to your class when you finish your class 8 and 9. Maybe in class 9 and 10 you will be able to do things like this, or maybe before that also. Okay. Yeah. So I hope you all have calculated this in a proper way.
Yes, sir.
ऐसे तुक्का मारो मेथड से नहीं करा होगा आपने. I hope you all have done this in a proper manner.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
16 square is 256, 12 square is 144, 256 plus 144 is 400, and the square root of 400 is 20. Okay, so you get the length of AC is equal to 20 centimeters. Okay. Next question. Any problem in this? Anyone?
No, sir. No problem. For next question, we have to tell the height.
16. The perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 14 centimeter and diagonal is 41 centimeters. Very good. Find क्या करना है? Find the perimeter. Find the perimeter of rectangle whose height length is 40, diagonal is 41. उसका perimeter निकालना. For the perimeter, you should know the breadth. Breadth यहाँ पर नहीं
सर
है.
L
Perimeter
into
is
B
98.
2 L into B.
Perimeter will be,
2
let me tell
2
you,
into L plus B.
2 into length plus
40
breadth.
plus 9, 49 का double हो
सर
गया.
उसके लिए सर
98 is the answer.
डायगोनल और उसकी वजह से ट्रायंगल से निकालना होगा. ब्रेथ.
Yeah. 98 is the correct answer. So
Sir, after this chapter, which chapter we will start?
we will be starting maybe percentage. Most
Sir,
probably.
percentage.
I'm not sure. Maybe percentage. So this is a
Sir,
rectangle.
breadth is 9 centimeter.
The breadth will be 9 and the perimeter will be 9. Sorry, beta.
Utkarsh, you are playing guitar.
40 centimeter is the length. 41 centimeter is the diagonal. अब यहाँ पर आपसे perimeter पूछते हैं. We all know perimeter का formula क्या होता है? 2 into L plus B. 2 into length plus breadth. Do we know the breadth of the rectangle? We don't know the breadth. Can we find the breadth of this rectangle? Can we find the breadth of this rectangle? Yes, we can find the breadth of the rectangle.
Yes, sir.
Using Pythagoras theorem. So find BC first. Find the length of BC. BC निकालने के बाद use the formula 2L plus B and you will get the perimeter. Perimeter will be 98 centimeters. So start doing it. I hope you all can do this also on your own.
Sir, done.
चलो मैं थोड़ी help कर देता हूँ.
98 centimeter.
So here again, angle 9B is 90 degrees. Therefore, we can use Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. We can use Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We don't know the value of BC.
सर, आपके मार्कर की इंक खत्म हो गई?
जी सर.
सर, ये इंक बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो जाती है.
हाँ, बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो जाती है.
सर, आप पढ़ाते ही इतना है.
सारा दिन तो सुबह से लेकर रात तक बैठ के पढ़ाना पड़ता है.
सर, कोचिंग में भी इसी बोर्ड से पढ़ाते हैं?
यही बोर्ड है.
सर, मतलब अभी आप कोचिंग में पढ़ा रहे हो?
नहीं, कोचिंग में क्यों? मतलब हाँ, मैं नहीं यही इसी बोर्ड से पढ़ाता हूँ ऑनलाइन.
नहीं सर, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ सर, आप एक्सप्लोर स्टडीज में जाकर पढ़ा रहे हो क्या?
नहीं, मैं ऑफलाइन बेटा ऑनलाइन पढ़ा रहा हूँ. एक्सप्लोर स्टडीज वाला जो कोचिंग का बैच है वो ऑनलाइन चल रहा है, ऑफलाइन नहीं चल रहा है. यूजिंग दिस बोर्ड ओनली. हाँ, यही वाले बोर्ड से पढ़ाया जाता है. अगर ऑफलाइन होता तो भी दिस बोर्ड आई गॉट माय होम फ्रॉम द कोचिंग से उठा के मैं कर लिया.
सर, पहले भी ऑनलाइन ही होता था.
नहीं, पहले ऑफलाइन होता था बट मैं ये बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉकडाउन I had 3 boards were there in the coaching, so मैं ये घर पे ले आया ये वाला for the online classes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. तो ज्यादा खर्चा नहीं करना पड़ा मुझे, काफी.
और सर, आपके घर पर फाइबर भी लगा है तो सर स्पीड घर पर ही आएगी सर, उधर नहीं आती कोचिंग पर.
हाँ, ये भी बात सही है. दिमाग लगा लेते तुम.
हाँ सर.
81 square is equal to 40 square plus BC square. So when you solve this equation, you get BC. चलो मैं ये कर देता हूँ. This will be 1681. Square of 41. Square of 40 is 1600 plus BC square. So BC square is equal to 81. Therefore, BC is equal to 81. BC is equal to 9 centimeters. BC की length मिल गई 9. Now you can find the perimeter very easily. Perimeter is equal to
2 into L plus B.
2L plus B. सब कुछ पता है, खाली फॉर्मेलिटी रह गई है. L is 40, B is 9, 2 into 49.
98 centimeter.
98 centimeters is the perimeter. Got it, all of you?
यस सर, हो गया.
बेटा रीजन लिख देना. व्हाट इज द रीजन? यहाँ पर ब्रैकेट में लिख देना पाइथागोरस थ्योरम पीटी. मैं शॉर्ट फॉर्म लिख रहा हूँ.
सर, एक क्वेश्चन बताया है सर.
यू ऑल आर नॉट अलाउड टू राइट दी शॉर्ट
सर
फॉर्म.
मैंने तो सर मैंने सब में ऊपर वो भी लिखा है, h square is equal to b square plus p square.
वेरी गुड बेटा. Ready for the next one?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
next one is
Sir.
similar to 16th.
No, not similar. It is a different one.
Sir, it is a little bit.
It is a
Sir,
good-
rhombus.
Actually, this question should not be there in your syllabus because you have not studied the properties of rhombus. आपने
Sir,
rhombus
but
की
I did.
properties पढ़ी नहीं
The
है?
diagonals bisect
क्या
each
बात
other
हो?
at right angles.
हाँ, मिश्रा जी तो सब कुछ पढ़ चुके हैं। मिश्रा जी, online
Sir,
class?
this
Sir, we
was
have studied.
last six.
यस
Sir,
सर,
six
हमने
class.
पढ़ी है सर, पिछले क्लास में आपने पढ़ाई
Last
थी।
Yes,
वो
sir.
पूरी फैमिली बताई
पिछले
थी
क्लास
आपने।
में पढ़ी थी।
सर पूरा चाचा दादा सब कुछ।
यस सर, आपने पूरी
Sir,
Sir,
फैमिली
there
बनाई।
was kite.
सर
Sir, you have told
क्वाड्रिलेटर की
full.
फैमिली बनाई थी सर पूरी आपने।
यस सर,
याद
Sir,
है?
the
फिर
starting में
चाचा
sir,
was
जी।
the
सर
Pardada.
पापा पैरेललोग्राम।
अच्छा, ओहो, सब कुछ याद है बच्चों को।
Sir, the
ये सर
grandfather.
इतनी बढ़िया स्टोरी थी सर, कैसे भूल सकते हैं सर, पापा पैरेललोग्राम।
Sir, please tell again. Remember
पैरेललोग्राम
it again.
सर एक बच्चा था जो पापा की बात नहीं मानता था
Yes,
और एक
sir. Please tell again.
सर एक बच्चा भाग गया था सर, दूसरा बच्चा सुशील था, घर पे ही था वो सर, रोम बस।
Sir,
Sir,
rhombus
please
भाग
tell
गया था.
that story again.
पैरेललोग्राम के दोनों
Tell that story again.
सर 5 मिनट ही बचे हैं सर, ये चैप्टर कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं।
I will tell you in class 8 now. In this class, in class 7th, it is not in your syllabus.
यस सर, अभी जल्दी से सर एक क्वेश्चन करवा कर चैप्टर कंप्लीट कर लीजिए।
It will take a lot of time if I start doing it now. It will take at least 35 minutes.
No sir, this question is very easy.
The whole family.
Yes,
अरे
sir.
question की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Someone was asking me to tell
अच्छा
me the story.
अच्छा सर,
of
फैमिली।
the family
सर
of-
क्वेश्चन तो सर 2 मिनट में हो जाएगा।
Let me do the question now. Find the perimeter of a rhombus, the length of whose diagonals are this and this. So there is a rhombus. हो सकता है मेरा बुक में जो फिगर दिया वो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट, चलो मैं वही बना देता हूँ। दिया है।
सर वो राइट को जा रहा है, आप लेफ्ट कर।
What is a rhombus? First of all, a rhombus is a type of a parallelogram which has all the four sides equal. याद है आप लोगों को? Rhombus is a type of parallelogram
Yes.
which has
He was
all
brother.
the
यस
sides
सर।
equal. सारी sides equal होती है rhombus में. So this is the rhombus ABCD given in the question. And one more property of rhombus will be used here. That is, the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. They are perpendicular as well as bisectors of each other.
So the difference between square and rhombus is that rhombus is not 90 degree. It does not have 90
The
degree angle.
difference between, not a difference, but actually square has one thing extra in it. Square maybe all the sides are equal, but one more property is there in a square. That is, in a square, all the angles are also 90 degrees. All the angles are also equal. Whereas in a rhombus, all angles are not equal. Okay, angle A or angle B could be different. दोनों different हो सकते हैं. So like in this case, if angle A is 120, so angle B आपका 60 degree का हो सकता है. Okay, so that makes a rhombus. Square में सारे 90 के ही होते हैं. So yeah, so what is the length of the diagonals given? Length of diagonal
यस सर।
AC you can take as 30 centimeters and the other diagonal is 16 centimeters. You have to find the perimeter of the rhombus. Okay. So
सर AC is 16 centimeter
length
and
of
DB
AC
is
is 30 centimeters. Sorry, BD is 30 centimeter. BD मैंने बड़ी बनाई है तो हम BD 30 लगा लेते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. BD is 30
नो सर,
centimeter.
क्वेश्चन में भी
कोई बात नहीं, कुछ भी दिया हो. BD को 30 सेंटीमीटर लगा दिया and AC को 16 centimeters दिया हुआ. Okay, so this is given. you have to find the length of, sorry, you have to find the perimeter. To find the perimeter, we must know the side of the rhombus. Rhombus की side अगर पता हो तो perimeter मिल जाएगा. Now, one property which is used there is that angle AOB is 90 degrees. This is a very important property that you will use. So first of all, you mention angle AOB is 90 degrees. What is the reason? Diagonals are perpendicular. Diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular. This is the reason why angle AOB is 90. Second thing, the length of AO. AO की length
BD
is
30
half
है.
of AC. AC की half हो जाएगी. That means 8 centimeter आ गई आपकी length of AO. And similarly, the length of BO will be half of BD. BD का half कर लेंगे तो BO मिल जाएगा. BD की length कितनी है? The length of BD is 30. 30 का half हो गया 15. So this is 15 centimeter. यहाँ पे मैं 8 mark कर देता हूँ. 8 centimeters and 15 centimeters. Okay. Here, what is the reason in both these?
Sir, answer 17 centimeters.
The reason is same. Diagonals are bisectors.
Sir, I written diagonals bisect at right angle.
Each other. Correct. That is also okay. So diagonals are bisectors. That is why the length of AO and BO are 8 and 15 respectively. AO की length 8 हो गई, BO की length 15 हो गई. Now in triangle AOB, now you can use Pythagoras theorem in the triangle AOB. In triangle AOB, AB, which side is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse कौन सी side है? Triangle AOB में.
AB.
AB
AB.
is the hypotenuse because
AB.
90 की opposite वाली side कौन सी है? AB. So AB square is equal to
Sir,
AO
AB
square
17.
plus BO square. AO square plus BO square. Okay.
Sir, perimeter is 68 centimeter.
AB square is equal to AO square, that means 8 square, 15 square, BO की length 15 है, so AB square is equal to 64 plus 225. So AB is equal to square root of 289, and the square root of 289.
Yes, sir. 17.
Centimeters. So the length of AB is 17 centimeters. Now you can easily find the perimeter.
Perimeter is
4 into side.
68.
4 into 17. That is perimeter is equal to 68 centimeters. This is the answer. Perimeter is 68.
68.
सबसे पहले क्या करा आपने?
Sir, fill in the lengths बचे हैं sir, वो नहीं करना.
First you find the length of the side AB. AB की length कैसे निकाली? Using Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. Pythagoras theorem से AB निकाल लिया 17 centimeters. Now if you know the side of the rhombus, you just multiply it by 4, you will get the perimeter. So the perimeter is 68 centimeters. Now before finding the side AB, हमने यहाँ पर rhombus की दो properties, यहाँ पे main properties use करी है. The first, that is the most important part, is this only. Rhombus की जो properties यहाँ पर use करी है, that is the most important part. If you don't know the properties of a rhombus, you will not be able to do the question. Without the properties, the question is incomplete. What is the property? That the diagonals are perpendicular, therefore angle AOB आपका 90 का हो जाएगा. First thing. Second thing, AC की length is given 16. The length of AC is 16, so AO आपका 8 हो जाएगा, half of AC. And the length of BD is 30, so half of BD, that means BO, that will be 30 upon 2, so 15 centimeter BO आ गया. Now this becomes a right angle triangle where two sides are given and the third side is not known, it is not given, you have to find it. So use Pythagoras theorem to find AB and then finally find the perimeter. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
सर
जी
सर हमें AO और B और OB सर हमें फाइंड करना होगा, लेकिन सर फिगर में तो सर दिया गया है.
beta, that is they have given a hint in the figure. If I suppose if I give you the question in your exam, this question, I will not be giving you the figure. It will not be given in the figure.
ओके सर.
They have given the figure as a hint for you all. Okay. I will only give the length of the diagonals.
ओके सर.
The rest
Sir,
of the
please
part
give
is
it.
given by the students.
Exam.
Sir, now chapter
Sorry. क्या कह रहे हो मिश्रा जी?
is complete.
Chapter is complete now.
यस
Okay,
सर.
let's discuss question 8. It is a fill-up. Fill-ups are there.
सर 18.
First part.
Sir, chapter is
18.
complete.
Sorry, question
Sir,
18.
fill up book copy.
Do them
सर
in the
कॉपी में
book.
थोड़ा करते होंगे.
Do the fill-ups in the book. In a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal
Sum.
to sum of
Sum.
the
Sum.
squares of the other two sides. Very good.
Sum.
Sum आ जाएगा.
करने हैं.
If the square of one side of a triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, then the triangle
Right
is
triangle.
राइट
Right
एंगल
angle
ट्रायंगल.
triangle.
right triangle.
Right angle triangle.
Third one, of all the segments that can be drawn to a given line from given point outside it,
Exterior.
the dash is the
Perpendicular line segment.
Perpendicular line segment.
Perpendicular line segment.
perpendicular line segment होता है वो shortest.
Sir, now which chapter?
In the next
Sir,
class,
percentage.
in the fifth
सर
period,
नेक्स्ट क्लास में सर कौन सा चैप्टर